Hi everybody, welcome to a new vlog. I didn't do a very fancy intro today because I did just finish vlogging for yesterday's vlog, so I'm starting again today for today's vlog. I wasn't going to, but I didn't really want to vlog, edit and upload tomorrow, so I'm just going to do it today and hopefully we'll be good and we don't have to worry about doing it tomorrow. If you saw yesterday's vlog, you would have seen that we hadn't had a very good day today. It's been one of those mental health days today where it hasn't been a very good one, and I just wanted to kind of do a video where we show you guys how we make our days good, even if they were very bad at the beginning of the day. So that's what we're doing today. It's going to be a little bit different. Hopefully it will turn out well, but we'll just see what happens. We will just see what happens. Jason is outside mowing the lawn and I've actually made him his lunch. He doesn't actually know, and I know when he gets a good lunch he will be a lot happier. So we're gonna get him his lunch. He's gonna come out the back in a second and I'm gonna bring him his lunch and he can eat it while Frederick has his lunch too. I've made you some lunch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know he ate, but you shouldn't have given it to him.
Yeah, Tiger, eat your apple.
Good talking.
Hopped into the car and we're going down to the playground. Fingers crossed there is no kids there. It's still school time, but I don't know if school finishes earlier these days because every time we go out it's like 2 o'clock and kids are out.
I don't even know if kids go to school these days.
I don't even know if they do, but it's like 2 o'clock hits and kids are everywhere. I'm like, don't you finish at 3? What are you doing out? But going to the playground, hopefully it will make us feel amazing. It will, because we're going to act like big kids on the playground. That's literally all we do when we go to playgrounds. So while the boys have been having some father and son time, I've been working my butt off because Jason said the other day that he wants this spare room, so like the third bedroom in our house, to be like a chill out area for him. It used to be a storeroom, and then it was my YouTube room, and then it went back to a storeroom, and now it's going to be Jason's room. So Jason wants to paint the walls because, as you can see, this wall is half white because we just painted the bit where I needed it for the YouTube bit, and then this wall is yellow and this wall is brown. So we're all going to paint all the walls white, and then Jason is going to bring in a desk in here. He wants to hang up his bikes up on this wall. He wants like it to be a very relaxed, chilled out place where he's going to be. So all of his stuff is going to be in here that he wants to be in here. So it's kind of gonna be like a man cave, but not a man cave. I'm currently through the process of decluttering it because it really needed to be done. So I'm like getting rid of stuff that we don't need to be in this room. Plus I'm also moving the stuff that was in this room ready to get stored underneath our bed. Basically this room is all done. We just need to get Jason to look at this pile right here. But other than that, the room is good to start the new adventure of the man cave.
It's not a man cave.
I'm just gonna call it a man cave. These boxes here are going underneath our bed, which means I need to clean underneath our bed because these won't fit if I don't. There's so many spiders! I've literally been on a roll, and we got those things underneath the bed, which was good, but I pulled all of this out. This was like in a container that I pulled all out, and then I pulled all of this out. All of this is going. I can't believe how much stuff we have. It's like funny because like I'm like, oh yeah, I'm decluttering, and then I declutter and I feel like, you know, a month or two down the track I'm like, didn't I already declutter? Like, why am I still getting all these stuff? We don't like buy that much anymore, but I'm just like, where is this stuff coming from? I think it's because like I declutter and then I keep stuff that I'm like, oh no, I'll use that, and now I'm just like, I haven't used this at all, why am I keeping it? So I just get rid of it. And like, there's some hats there that I would love to keep, but I haven't worn them in like a year and a half, so I'm just like, we're getting rid of them. There's no point me keeping them. They're just taking up space. So out of this vlog, I was just like, yes, this is all going to be like being a positive day about like how to figure out like being positive with mental health stuff, but now it just turns out to be me decluttering the entire house. My huge pile of things here that I need to put now in the car so I can drive down and put them in the donation bin. So my good deed for the day is done. Like, I filled up that donation box so much. I probably didn't. I really didn't. I had a couple of bags of clothes, a couple of pairs of shoes and stuff like that, but I'm so glad I did my good deed for the day, and now we can go home and we can start cooking dinner. Don't mind this lighting because it's shocking. I know it's shocking, but I'm cooking tea at the moment. We are having a super lazy night, like I said. I've got hash browns here. I've got fish free fingers here. I've got some broccoli cooking in the oven. I'm gonna do some like smashed avocado also. So it's very like fingery food tonight. It's very lazy but still kind of good for you. Yeah, I think I'm going to end today's vlog here just because we're not really doing anything else after this. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog or just found it interesting seeing a different part of our lives that we've not really shown that much or not really talked about. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys all next time. Bye.